Hey, what's up everyone, this is Martin Mohad, and today we're gonna talk about two tenses which are very important in the English language. In this video, we're gonna take a look at simple present tense and present continuous tense. Please keep watching until the end of this video because I'm gonna give something very amazing which is a bonus, so let's jump in right now. Guys, we start with a simple present tense. Simple present tense is a sentence that describes the existing situation that takes place. We use it to express the action which isn't in the past, in the ongoing activity, or the future, but present in the time. We use the simple present to describe things, events, thoughts, and habits. For example, this sentence: computer uses many calculation threads in a few seconds. Here in this sentence, we describe the computer, which is a thing. And another example is this sentence: winter happens twice a year. Here in this sentence, we describe the event. And another example is this sentence: I think alone in my mind. This one describes the thoughts. And the last example is this sentence: I love apples so much. Here in this sentence, we describe the habit. We also use the simple present to give instruction and commands. For example, this sentence: get out now. This sentence is giving the command to someone. Another example is this one: when you see the bomb, take out the red and black wires, then run away. This sentence gives instruction. Furthermore, we use the simple present to mention things, situation that happens daily or often. For instance, I wake up the same time daily. This sentence explains the event that occurs daily. And another one is this sentence: sometimes I hang out with my friends. This sentence describes a situation that happens often. So guys, these are the usage of simple present tense. Now let's take a look how to form it. The formula is subject plus verb plus object, but sometimes we also form only subject and verb. For instance, I love stories. Here we formed the subject, verb, and object, which subject is I, and verb is love, and object is stories. And in this following sentence, we formed the subject and verb only, which I do. I plus do. I is subject and do is a verb. Now guys, I know you got it all. Now let's talk about the present continuous. The present continuous is a sentence that shows ongoing action is happening now. It can be now, this time, or around the time. We use the present continuous tense to show something that is ongoing at this time. For example, this sentence: I'm eating right now. The action in this sentence taking place right now. We use the present continuous tense again to tell ongoing action that is taking place around this time. For instance, the sentence below: I'm walking here nowadays. This one explains the event that is happening around the time. We also use present continuous tense over to tell the event that will take place soon. For example, I'm gonna give you a gift. This sentence shows that some things will happen in the future. Now it is time to form a present continuous tense. We form as follows: subject plus auxiliary verb plus object. Sometimes, as usual, we only form subject plus auxiliary verb, which is, are, and am. For the third person singular, she, he, and it, we use an auxiliary verb is. For the second person plural and singular, which is you, we, they, we use an auxiliary verb are. For the first person singular, which is I, we use an auxiliary verb am. For example, I'm doing exercise, she's doing exercise, he's doing exercise, we are doing exercise, they are doing exercise, we are doing exercise. It is learning algorithm pretty well. As I promised you guys, we'll have the bonus at the end. Now it's the right time. We're gonna spot the difference between these two tenses. To find the difference, we follow up on this conversation between Emma and Jack. Now the conversation is below. Emma: hey Jack, are you designing a logo? Jack: yes Emma, I do. Emma: can you design one for my company? Jack: yes, of course, Emma. This conversation between Emma and Jack has a mistake. When Emma asked Jack about logo designing, she was not wanted to use the present continuous tense in her sentence. Instead, she was needed to use a simple present sentence. Cause whenever you ask about the experience, you have to use the simple present tense. The following is the correct version of this conversation. Emma: Hey Jack, do you design a logo? Jack: Yes Emma, I do. Emma: Can you design one for my company? Jack: Yes, of course, Emma. Now we jump in the second conversation, which is between Rosie and Mark. We want to spot the incorrect use of present continuous. The conversation between Rose and Mark is like follow. Mark: Wait Emma. Rose: Yes, I await you. Mark: Something crosses my mind for a long time. I just want to tell you. Rose: Yes, of course, I'm listening. Mark: I love you, Emma. This conversation also has some mistakes. Rose was needed to say I'm awaiting you instead of saying I await you. And another mistake is when Rose says yes, of course, I'm listening. The correct one is yes, of course, I'm listening. The following is the correct version of this conversation. Mark: Wait Emma. Rose: Yes, I am waiting you. Mark: Something crosses my mind for a long time. I just want to tell you. Rose: Yes, of course, I'm listening. Mark: I love you, Emma. So that's all. You use only present continuous tense when something is in progressive. It is ongoing right now. And you use simple present to point the situation that it is in the present. Now I know you got it all. Thanks for watching this video. Here is the end, and I'm sure it helps you a lot. If you have any question, please leave a comment down below and I will instantly respond to it. See you in the next video. Bye bye and ciao.